do you want to make a PowerPoint presentation like this one? So subscribe my channel as well and let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do is open PowerPoint, then go to Insert tab and then enter a text box, enter 01 in it, bold it, change its font and increase its size to 200. As you can see that it isn't really big, so I'm gonna change its font to around 500. Yeah. Now I'm gonna move it upwards. What you have to do next is that you're gonna uh, increase its size. Then you're gonna adjust it into the slide, in between the slide like this. Now you have to go to insert and pictures, this device, and you're gonna choose image that you want to use. Now send this image to backwards. Select both the text and the image. Now go to Mud Shapes and intersect. Now you have to go to next slide, a blank slide. So you're gonna go to insert the text box and enter 02 and repeat the entire process that we did in the first slide. You're gonna increase its size, change its font, and adjust it into the slide. Next, you're gonna go to Insert tab and then you're gonna insert an image. So I have used this desert image. Next, you're gonna select both the text and the image and combine them. So duplicate the slide and remove this O2 and insert another text box, and you have to repeat the entire process that I did in the first and second slide. Add your text like this into the slide, and next you're gonna select both of the three slides, go to transitions and then morph. Next, what you have to do is that you're gonna select this O2 and you're gonna copy it, then paste it on the first slide and move it below this O1. Next, you're gonna copy this 3 and you're gonna paste it under this 2. The next step you have to do is that you have to move this 3 below this 2. Next, now go to the next slide. Yeah, so you have to go to the second slide and you have to paste 3 here below 2. Now our slide is ready. We're gonna select all of these slides again and go to transitions and more. So this is a slideshow of our final result. Be sure to subscribe my channel and like the video. Please show your support by sharing these videos with your friends and family. See you in next video soon.